Welcome to the TPP Learning Academy. In this short video, we will be looking at how to set up a patient call board in SystmOne. SystmOne integrates with several different call boards, and these include Jayex, NewMed, and Polycomp. To set up a call board, go to the System menu and select PC Settings. In PC Settings, select the Display Boards option and then select the call board type from the available list. In this example, I'm going to use the Jayex D300 option. If the Jayex board is attached to the PC you are working from, you can select the Jayex D300 attached to this PC option. If the Jayex board is attached to another PC and you are configuring from a separate PC, you are able to select the Jayex D300 board attached to another PC option. Once you have chosen your setting, you are then able to configure how the patient and clinician names will display on the board by configuring the relevant settings. The display patient name time can be configured to the amount of seconds you wish the name to be displayed, and you may even set an audible alert. You can change how the display appears on the screen by adjusting the transition. Patient name and clinician name appearance can be configured by changing the relevant fields. If an appointment number has been assigned, you can also display this on the call board rather than the name of the patient. Alternatively, you can display the name and appointment number together. If room locations have been configured in SystmOne, you can display these on the call board. Alternatively, if your organisation is not using rooms, you can select to display the PC location from the PC settings. You are also able to change the idle messages that appear on your call board. These are messages that will display between appointments being called. To do this, click on the plus symbol to add a new message. Write your message into the dialog box and select which days you would like the message to appear on. Multiple messages can be added by following the same process. I hope you found this video of use. Please check out our other helpful videos on the TPP Learning Academy.